So one thing I believe that our institution has an edge over other institutions is that our projects we conduct on campus serves a little bit bigger purpose than I would see on most other campuses. Instead of just a project that is worked on in class, there's some that we would dive into outside of class, or just an overall bigger purpose than just towards education. One example of these kinds of projects is when we work in teams. We worked in a team on a class project where we raised funds for a nonprofit organization. We created flyers, created boxes to set outside to collect donations, and worked out well with building from our community to another community outside of our college campus.
There are a lot of hands-on opportunities provided, especially by the ed department. Within my first couple weeks at IC in my first ed class, I was in one of the classrooms. I've had multiple placements ranging from around kindergarten up till around the 6th grade, and then I also did a placement at a daycare. With these experiences, I've definitely found that it's easier to communicate with the kids and find out what they actually need from me as an educator and figure out what they need socially and emotionally more so than direct instruction.
Illinois College offers many opportunities for hands-on learning. We have a ton of labs if you are in chemistry or biology. For the nursing program, we have a simulation lab. As far as other hands-on learning, active in the classroom, mixing up lecture with case studies, group work, and ensuring they're learning and retaining all of that information.